No in the bag, bitch.
What's up, guys? So here I'm going to go ahead and get started. This is the hair that I'm using. I'll also leave it in the description box below. But as y'all can see, this hair is my favorite hair to use for braiding hair. It's super detangle free. And I am starting off on freshly washed, freshly blow dried hair. And I like to go ahead and start with parting the section where I know I'm going to use the heart at. So this area is going to be where I'm using the heart and where I'm going to braid the heart at. So you'll see me going ahead and blocking out like a whole square by my ear. That's going to be the whole section where I'm going to use the heart. So as y'all can see, I am sectioning off the hair. I really think that's super important when you're braiding the hair. You want to make sure all of the hair that you're not using is sectioned and clipped away from the braiding section. So just keep that in mind, especially if you're a beginner like me. This is my first time doing this style. And when I started doing the heart, I made sure to split it in half. So I'm starting with one half of the heart, and then I'm going in a circular motion, just starting from the peak of the heart, going around just like a heart shape would be. And then I'm not even adding any hair. This is just all my hair that I'm braiding away. So once I get to the end, I do braid hair. Well, I do add hair in, but for this part right now, I'm just kind of making sure to do the heart first because I thought that was the most important part of the braid. The rest are going to just be straight back. So you'll see, you'll see, you'll see. I am gonna go ahead and emphasize the fact that I am not a professional braider, y'all. Like, this is really my first time doing this style, so y'all just bear with me. If you see any tweaks, anything that needs to be tweaked up or, you know, redone, just go with the flow. But y'all, this was the best that I'm doing. I am doing the best with what I got, okay? But all I'm doing right now is I'm just going ahead and adding those straight backs. And at this point, I'm adding hair to the straight backs. You'll like see me slowly adding in little pieces, little chunks of hair, very thin, which is also one thing that I will say I regret with this hair. I wish I did bigger parts and I did bigger braids, because y'all, I really think the braids were so thin. I think it was giving linguine. Like, girl, Chef Boyardee. But anyways, y'all will see. I think it still turned out cute, but if I do it again, I'll make sure to add more hair so that it's not thin braids. But yeah. And if you guys would like me to do a more detailed tutorial on how to actually braid, like how to actually cornrow your own hair, please comment down below. I am looking for engagement on my post, so please, y'all, comment down below. While you're at it, go ahead and like this video and go ahead and subscribe for more. I also have some cool story times up on my channel, so go ahead and check that out while you're at it. Alright, so at this point you'll see that I have some braids on the other side. So what I was doing was, when I finished one braid on the right hand side, I would go to the other side and braid a braid on the left hand side, so that way like I was kind of gonna meet myself in the middle at the top of my head. I think that was the best way to go about it, in my opinion. I have seen some other braiders start like in the direct middle of their head, but I figured since I had a braid pattern of that heart shape on the side, it would be a little bit confusing if I did that. So that's just kind of where I did the braid sections. I just did one on the left, one on the right, one on the left, one on the right, and just kind of teeter tottered back and forth.
Yo, hey man, anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. Can you see me a cleanest? Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching ching. In a the Louis V vest, girl one with his squeeze silicon and real bless. Can a blow breeze for the head of me penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Black neck. Ease out.
So at this point, I am getting to a halfway mark, as you can see. Look at the face I'm making. Instant regret because y'all, this took forever and I was literally in my head thinking I should have added more hair to these braids. It's giving angel hair noodles. It's giving linguine. But yeah, guys, anyways, I was trying to be positive. Look at me trying to smile. Girl, bye. Anyways, so yeah, I'm trying to go ahead and part this section and get this done with. I could have kept this style in longer, but honestly, y'all, I kept this style in for literally like 4 days max, and I took it out and did a whole nother style. But yeah, it was cute while it lasted, honestly. Really cute protective style. I'll probably do it again just with bigger braids.
Check the tag now. I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan. And I'm out here with the whoop. 700, 3 I 5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side. Now they on the other side. Oh,
So, y'all, I look so tired. I look so over it, so ready to be done. Because honestly, this was a spontaneous idea. I just had an extra pack of hair and I just kind of went for it, y'all. But overall, this hairstyle took like what, 3.5 hours to do, really. So I guess that's not that bad. But I was just tired and it was late, and I just started doing it because I was really bored. But yeah, guys, comment down below if you've ever done a style that you instantly regretted and you wanted to go ahead and just change the whole thing, or you just wanted to, I don't know, recreate something else. Let me know down below what that style will be. Maybe I'll go ahead and recreate it. You never know. So, yeah, go ahead and like this video too while you're at it. I'm gonna tell you guys exactly where I should have started adding more hair. So I should have started adding more hair to the braid right here, just to make it thicker. Because yeah, this is kind of like where it started to get thin at. So I should have started adding like bigger pieces of hair. Um, Maybe even a little bit early on into the braid, I could have added more hair. But yeah, guys, I think that's just really my only like thing I would change. And at this point now is when I'm done with the rest of the straight back. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add the last piece of hair, which is gonna be added to the heart. And you'll see me adding the hair right here. And at this point, y'all, I am pretty much done with the braids. As y'all can see, I left my leave out so I can swoop my edges in the morning. I was so tired, y'all. I was so tired. I was so glad to be done, and I was just so like ready to go to bed. It was like 2 in the morning. So yeah, this is what it came out to look like once I did my edges. Real cute, you know. It came out real nice. My mom, my sister, they really loved it. But yeah, guys, this is what it came out to be. So go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching.